Here are 10 hyper-realistic, suspense-driven image prompts based on the story. Character consistency included. Daniel Brooks, 36 years old, Caucasian, lean build, slightly tired eyes, short dark brown hair, light stubble, casual button-down shirts and rolled sleeves. Victoria Hale, 42 years old, elegant, sharp features, shoulder-length dark brown hair, usually in tailored blazer, controlled posture, expressive eyes. Lily Brooks, 7 years old, small, long light brown hair, bright curious eyes, colorful summer dresses, innocent expression. All prompts are designed for cinematic, hyper-realistic, emotional tension, 8K detail, shallow depth of field, dramatic lighting. 1. The unexpected encounter. Hyper-realistic sunset beach scene. 36-year-old lean single dad with short dark hair and light stubble standing frozen in mid-step, holding his daughter's hand, noticing his 42-year-old elegant female boss sitting alone in the sand barefoot, blazer folded beside her, clutching a framed photo, orange sky reflecting on ocean waves, cinematic tension, ultra-detailed facial expressions, shallow depth of field, emotional suspense, 8K realism. 2. Victoria's hidden grief. Close-up hyper-realistic portrait of a 42-year-old professional woman sitting on a beach at sunset, sharp features, tear-filled eyes, wind moving her shoulder-length dark hair, holding a framed photo of a young boy to her chest, mascara slightly smudged, golden light hitting her face, powerful grief expression, cinematic realism, extreme detail. 3. Daniel's internal conflict. Hyper-realistic medium shot of a 36-year-old single father standing several feet away, tense posture, conflicted expression, watching his boss from a distance, ocean breeze moving his shirt, sunset glow outlining his silhouette, shallow focus on his anxious eyes, emotional suspense atmosphere, photorealistic 8K. 4. Lily's fall. Ultra-realistic action moment of a 7-year-old girl in a colorful summer dress tripping in the sand, melting ice cream falling midair, sand scattering dramatically, her father rushing forward in panic, boss slightly rising in concern, frozen suspense frame, cinematic lighting, sharp sand textures. 5. The first soft smile. Hyper-realistic close-up of the 42-year-old boss kneeling to help the little girl up, rare gentle smile breaking through her usual stern expression, warm golden sunlight illuminating her softened face, emotional breakthrough moment, shallow depth of field, intense realism. 6. The photo reveal. Extreme close-up of a framed photograph in Victoria's hands, trembling fingers visible, reflection of ocean waves in the glass, faint teardrop falling onto the frame, dramatic lighting, hyper-detailed skin texture, cinematic suspense focus. 7. Confession by the waves. Wide cinematic beach shot at dusk, 36-year-old father and 42-year-old boss sitting several feet apart in the sand, serious emotional conversation, body language heavy with unspoken pain, darkening sky, waves crashing behind them, dramatic shadows, ultra-realistic lighting. 8. Daniel's vulnerability. Hyper-realistic close-up of Daniel's face as he admits his fears, tired eyes glossy with emotion, subtle trembling jaw, golden blue sunset light across his face, shallow depth of field, background blurred ocean, intense emotional realism. 9. The seashell moment. Ultra-detailed close-up of a small broken seashell in a child's sandy hand, father and boss blurred in background watching, symbolic emotional depth, golden sunset rays highlighting the shell's cracks, photorealistic macro shot, cinematic mood. 10. The company announcement. Hyper-realistic corporate office scene, 42-year-old poised businesswoman standing in front of employees, softer but determined expression, glass walls reflecting city skyline, 36-year-old father in crowd looking emotional and hopeful, dramatic indoor lighting, suspenseful atmosphere of change, 8K cinematic realism. If you'd like, I can also generate thumbnail-focused dramatic prompts, high-center YouTube style. Leonardo AI, Midjourney optimized versions. Darker, more intense suspense tone versions.